Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So I finally have my hands on one of these Civivi combo kits made by Civivi, sold by Walmart. And yes, you heard me right, the Civivi combo kit. I'm not quite sure if that is a typo or that is a play on words. I'm assuming it's a typo, but maybe one of you down in the comments can set me straight, because that is just too funny. So apparently this is made better, but the proofreading department is not better, and the marketing department has definitely not made better. But let's go with it. And it is a 3-piece set. You get a knife, multi-tool, and a lanyard. Let's take a look at the details. Again, we have the 3-piece Civivi combo kit. We have the Walmart, the code there for Walmart, and made in China, the UPC. Alright, so we have a multi-tool, which is stainless steel and kind of looks like a heroin spoon. And we have a lanyard, which is made out of polyester, which looks like a pretty darn nice looking lanyard. And we have the Zizzle pocket knife, or, well, it's spelled right there. So is it a knife or is it a Civivi? I don't know. So it's a 2.98 inch D2 blade with a G10 handle, reversible pocket clip, and it has a liner lock. And we have ceramic ball bearings. Apparently you can only use this in the outdoors, and it is also for everyday carry, and comes with a pocket clip. So that's pretty much everything. We have Civivi's information there, as well as their socials on the bottom. And apparently only in California this will cause cancer. Alright, let's open this up. We're using my dirty drop bear today. It's not a bear unless it's dirty, right? Alright, so the box is open. And try not to cut myself too much. And we have the knife, we have the lanyard out. Lanyard is kind of nice, but seems awfully big to be putting on a knife. And then our heroin spoon. Or maybe it's a baby spoon with a... Maybe you have a baby that wants a multi-tool. It could be one or the other, heroin spoon or a baby spoon. But we seem to have a pry tool here, as well as a couple wrenches, a bottle opener, and another wrench. Kind of a novelty item. Again, we have the lanyard. Don't think I'd really want something this size on my knife, but that's okay. Maybe you do. And let's take a look at the Civivi. Feels somewhat sharp. There's a drop point blade and liner lock. We do have that. I could have swore it said reversible pocket clip. Reversible clip. But we have 2 screws here, and no, okay, yeah, we do have 2 screws there. So it is reversible. We have a rear flipper tab. And the action seems pretty decent. We get rid of all of this. I mean, still a nice value at $25. This has got to be the cheapest Civivi so far. I like it, and it's nice and compact. So according to the website, it is a 3.25 inch blade, which I'm assuming that maybe that's from tip to stern. I don't know, but the box says it's a 2.98 inch blade. So see if I can read it without getting my head in the way. So I want to say the cutting edge is 2.98 inches. The length of the blade is 3.25 inches. Overall, the length of the knife is just over 6.5. Looks like almost 6 3/4. A very compact knife, but you can still get a 4-finger purchase on that handle. The blade feels, or I'm sorry, the handles feel nice and textured and very comfortable. Overall, the knife feels comfortable. No play, side to side, up and down, nothing to speak of. So very nice offering from Civivi and Walmart for $25. If you do order online, you do have to spend more than $25 to get it shipped to you for free. I think I spent a total of $31 to get this. I suppose it's the tax for having to get something immediately. I could have waited to find these actually in the store, but I wanted to get this out to you as soon as possible. I think that's a pretty nice looking knife. Great entry point if you have a family member, maybe a teenager that you want to get into EDC, or they've been itching to purchase a knife, their first knife. I think this would be a great first knife. I think this would be a great secondary knife to carry on your person. Even a beater knife for $25. Pocket clip seems to be pretty stout, and it is a deep carry pocket clip. So not a bad offering from Civivi and Walmart. This is the Zizzle, and I kid you not, the Zizzle, I don't know if you can read that, the Zizzle Kniffy. Please tell me that is a play on words and that's not a, I don't know, is that an error? That's so weird. Both on the front and back. Kniffy. I gotta check other people's videos to see if it says the same thing on their videos, on their boxes, because I have not seen anybody else say Kniffy. I just was getting ready to make this video and I read that, and it just, that's hilarious. So in the spirit of the holidays, and this being a holiday gift pack, I'm going to hold a giveaway, and I'm going to give, obviously, away this. All you have to do is be located in the United States, lower 48, be 18 years of age. You have to like this video, you have to subscribe to the channel, and comment down below the word Kniffy. It has to be Kniffy, it can't be knife. Kinfe, Kniffy. And a week's time, I'll come back. Today is November 14th, 2024. It's a Thursday. I'll come back in approximately a week. Don't hold me to that. I'll try to make it around a week, and I will use a random comment picker to pick the lucky winner. And the lucky winner will also receive this Woobin E7 Easy Carry Light. I've opened this, but I've never actually used it. So it's an awesome little flashlight. I have one for myself, and this will make a nice little early Christmas present to yourself. Or you can give it away. You can re-gift it. That's completely up to you. But again, you have to be 18 years old, be located in the lower 48, like this video, you have to subscribe to the channel, and comment the word Kniffy. Again, Kinfe, down in the comment section. I want to thank all of you for stopping in and checking out this video. Good luck on the giveaway. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll see you next time.